There's no shortage of AI tools to help you generate blog content, and I've been experimenting with quite a few different ones. And recently I've been using one quite a lot more for more than just generating blog content. So they're great for coming up with ideas and helping kickstart that process of writing blogs. But this one has a load of other tools, and they keep deploying more tools that help businesses and startups. So I thought it'd be interesting to test it out by trying to start a business from scratch using only AI generated content to come up with the name and slogan. So this is Contentbot. This is the dashboard when you log in, and it has a wide range of tools, which makes it a brilliant starting point if you're starting a new blog or a new business. This can really help kickstart the ideation process, coming up with those ideas for names, slogans, things like that. And you can see we've got copywriting tools, we've got marketing tools, and we've got some other tools down the bottom. To start with, we should start right at the beginning, and we should go with a brand name. So when you select a copy type, it will always load up this template where it gives you a bit of a sample output, and you can change the template at the top here, add in a description, some keywords, and then it will generate some inspiration. So let's assume that we are going to start a new business, and let's say it's a website agency, for example. So let's say get inspiration. So this can take up to 30 seconds. It'll just tell you that. And here we go. There's two parts to this. There's the brand name and the slogan. And I really like a lot of the slogans. I tend to find the brand names can be a little bit trickier, simply because if you're going to try and get a URL with the brand name WebLift, it is possibly taken. Here we've got the various suggestions, and you can generate more. So let's have a little look. WebLift, we pump new life into your web presence. See, I like that slogan. I think it's a really good slogan. The web design and hosting experts, define your web property. A web design agency built on trust. Right, so I think I'm going to copy this. I'm going to like it up here, but I'm just copying these just into a Word document as well. I'm going to take WebLift as well, because I think that goes quite well with that slogan. So we've got our new web agency name, and we've even got a slogan. So let's have a little look else. It does have slogan generator as well, so it's kept the information there. Let's just see what else it comes up with. See, I don't think any of these are better than the one that we've just seen, so I'm going to keep that one. We now want a brand story. So this gives us the story that hopefully people can connect with. Okay, so I'm just adding a little bit more for this story option. Let's see what it comes out with. So some of these are very good straight away. We're a passionate Manchester-founded business that's been transforming websites and creating business websites for people since year. Our diverse and vibrant international client base includes startups. Okay, so some of this you're going to have to edit, because clearly if you're starting a business, you're probably not going to have an international client base or a client base at all. But you get the idea. We're a creative, innovative, hardworking and dedicated team. Let's have a look what else we've got. Okay, so I think for a new business, I really like this one. Our vision is all about transformation. We develop and launch your website to make sure it turns the people who visit our website, I'd change that, into customers. Partnership approach to web development creates a great experience from discovery to launch. One where we're keenly attuned to every step along the way. We take your brief from see what you can do to wow, look at what you've done for us. Okay, so I like that. I'm going to copy that and just add that to my Word document. So another cool feature is the landing page designer. So you've got some basic information, then you want to start thinking about what should the website actually look like and what text should be on. So I've added the product name that we generated earlier. I've kept the short description, I've kept the keywords. You can tweak all this to generate different output. So it's generated text that I can use on this imaginary web design agency's website, or if they were a real web design agency, you could put your client's information in here and generate some text. So you can see we've got headlines, some little subtext, and then we've got other suggestions down here. So there's quite a lot going on there, and you can generate more. So one of the features I really like about this is if you like this text and you hit build page, it generates a landing page designed for you. So you can see this a little bit more in context. It's got some different styles as well. If we just hit change theme, so you can see it's come up with a completely different style. As we scroll down, it's got all the text there. We don't approach new customers with templates. We start by listening to them, understanding their needs. Each time we launch a brand new website, we consider it another opportunity to learn from our customer and develop what we do next. So this is all really good stuff. So I find with AI generated text, it can come out with some great stuff that just needs tweaking every now and again. But there we've got a website, and if we hit download, that's downloaded the actual HTML file. So you could use that, but I don't tend to use this overall style. I would copy this and place it into WordPress or whatever website builder you're using. Next up, we've got some sales type models. So this helps you really get across what you're offering to clients. So we're first going to use the PAS model. So you're a small business with a big idea. You want to take your business to the next level and get more out of your website. You have need of a company that will be able to take your vision, turn it into reality. Weblift is the company for you. We're a Manchester, UK-based web design and hosting agency. We take your business vision, turn it into a stunning website. I think that's perfect. I'm going to copy that, add that to the Word doc. And you've got more. Sometimes it comes up with the blank. You can just generate more. Okay, so let's try a different model. So this is Pain Benefits. So here we have the Pain-Agitate-Solution. Business owners are frustrated with their website and the amount of money they are spending on it. We'll design and host your website, get a website that looks amazing and costs less than you think. So again, that's pretty good. I'm going to copy that one. So this is the attention, interest, desire, action. So you deserve a website that works for you. We've helped hundreds of businesses the past 10 years. Let's build a new website for you. Get in touch with us today. Your website is your online shop front. Client base is growing rapidly worldwide. Aussie web design agency. I'm not quite sure where it's got that from. First thing people say, make it impact to stand out. We make your website mobile friendly. See now that to me is the best one there. So I'll copy that one. So next up, we're going to create a product description. So for this, I have removed the short description I have been using. And let's just put in something that's very specific. So all I'm going to give it, you can change the tone here. Let's keep it as professional. Okay, so I'm just going to grab that one for now. And then you could repeat that. Now, this is a software business, but I guess if you had a physical product, it would also be an interesting way of generating your eBay, Amazon website listing for that particular product. So we've now got a product description. So once you've got a business ready to start selling some products, you want to think about how you're going to market it. So it's got a marketing ideas generator. So do a web design webinar, offer a full redesign for a new customer. Well, there you go. So advertise on AdWords and Facebook ads. That's definitely one that you would do. And of course, this can help. So let's head over to. So this one is specifically for Facebook ads. And it's even got just a mock-up photo in this is Facebook style. So instead of a website that professionally represents your business. So there you go. That's offering a discount. That could be an interesting one. But if you don't like any of those, you can hit generate more. Now you see that's better, isn't it? So all the way out. So that one too. Funnily enough, I did used to work in North London. It's definitely not in Northwest London. So again, let's grab that, copy to clipboard. Let's use the same inputs and generate a Google ad, AdWords ad. So you can see the layout on this one's different. We've got a bigger headline because in Google Ads you have different sections of the advert. So it's done a few good Google Ads. I'm going to grab this one. When you're ready to start generating some clients, you might want to get in touch with people, and you can fill this out, this sales email, and it can generate basically a sales email for you. And it's done a pretty good job. Again, I've just put in person and company in caps because you'd change that when you were pasting it into the email. But if you did know them, you can put it in, and then it's created several different emails for you to take a look at. Then for your own website, you might want to generate some blog topic ideas. And the nice thing about this tool is it can also include the intros for the blog topic. So it not only gives you the topic headline, but will give you a bit of a start on it. So this can take a while. So for our made up company, we're going to write about why startups need a website, so that if you are marketing to startups and they come to your website, they might have a little read and go, oh yeah, I do need a website. So here we have some generated web topic ideas. So how to get a website. If you're looking to start a blog of your own, maybe wondering how to get a website, plenty of platforms, tools available, popular website tools, types of website, several different types of websites. So that's a pretty good one. So the blog outline can help you expand and get some more ideas. So I'm going to paste in one of the intros that we just got along with the article topic that the intro was generated from. And this will now take that and generate a general outline that you could follow to write a blog post. And so it's generated an outline. So you'd have that as your header, subheaders, and then you would go ahead and start writing this. What is a website? What kind of websites are there? See, this is all good stuff. So I quite like that second one. Oh, yeah, pick out a theme, how to get started. See, this is all very good. Second or third, let's try that one actually. Let's copy that one. And then finally, if you need help writing the website, you can use the AI to help you write the content itself. So let's have a little look at describe what you're wanting to write about. Outline. Why startups need a website is the title. Write our own paragraph. Well, I'm actually just going to pop in that paragraph. So I'm not doing that. That's me hitting this Control Enter, pressing the compose. So you can see it's very quickly generating content based on what's already there. You have to do a bit of typing, then it will do a bit of typing, and you can very quickly create yourself a blog article to publish on your brand new company website. It's also worth noting Contentbot has this really cool Chrome plugin. It's just been released today. It's in beta, but essentially if you're in Google Docs, Gmail, Outlook, anything that's web-based, you can access the AI features. So we can go into here and go product description. You see you've got all the things that I've just shown you. See, it's already on 2 pages. So scrolling down, you can see there's the title, and then there's the intro. There's a title, there's an intro, title and intro. So you can go through these and you can generate more. You can change to different types, or if you are writing a blog post, you can then make use of the long form that I showed you before, where it will continue writing part of the blog post for you. So I'm going to edit this video down, but my clock tells me I've been recording for about 25-26 minutes. In that time, let's just recap what Contentbot has helped me create. So we've now got the company name WebLift, we've got the slogan, we've got the story, we've got various models that will help us explain to customers what it is we're offering. We've got product descriptions, we've got adverts, we've generated sales emails, we've generated some blog topic ideas, intros, outlines. We've generated a blog itself, or started to generate a blog itself. And we've also generated the website landing page with some text that we could tweak and change, and it's just given us different layouts that we can have a little look at to see if we like one. Or you could just simply take the text and drop it into whatever website editor you're using. So there you go, that is Contentbot. That's a very blast through overview, but you can see the amount of content it can generate. You could use this to help start your business very quickly, give you a load of ideas. I found with a lot of AI tools, the output is a great starting point. You then tweak it and change it to make sure it fits your brand, your vision, your correct information. For example, it might spit out phone numbers that are just temporary phone numbers. You put your own in. If you want to learn more about this, I will put an affiliate link in the video description below. Click through, have a look. It's a really great product. I'm really enjoying using it, and I'm using it for both myself and for client work that I'm doing. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video.